sweet. Hey guys.
Hello.
Having midnight snack.
Yeah.
Having midnight school.
Yeah.
Oi, Dad. Oi, Dad. Oi, Dad. Oi, Dad.
No, I want to stand up.
Purple po.
Outside.
Outside po ma'am. Meron po tayo outside ma'am.
Why outside?
Name na lang po,
Mommy?
ma'am.
It's so cold.
Aryan.
Marian po.
Aryan.
Marian. And
Let me
cellphone number na
cut.
lang
Give
po.
me a sec. Maxine, what's the date today?
May 9, 2026, 20,000. 20,999 billion.
Okay, now guys, let me teleport. Ugh. Yo, guys, we have an insane view. Nah, brother, we have an insane view. Look at that. Nah, brother, that's insane.
I think so. Think so.
Ganda po pag may
It's okay. Guys, this is insane. Okay, now. Wait, let me check out the menu.
Sit beside me.
Tatagal kaya sa upuan si Manu.
You know what? Why don't
Okay
we
na.
check the cakes? Maxine?
I don't want
So,
Why don't you order first? Choose what you want.
Calamari.
Calamari, you want calamari?
Yup.
What else do you like?
guys, let me check.
Cheese sticks, mommy.
Check on the
sticks.
menu.
Okay.
Read it.
Yeah, I also want a crispy calamari.
Okay.
Ah,
I think I'm gonna have the pasta.
pasta?
Mm-hmm.
I
Where?
also want pasta, mommy.
Where? Oh, this one. Which one?
The king crab one.
King crab?
Yeah.
Ah.
I'm not eating it.
King crab is actually insane. It's like the best. It's like the best crab
Mm-hmm.
you can
In the
ever
world.
taste. I don't want to order a salad today, but maybe like soon.
Okay, so what do you want to eat then?
I'm just
You want to
um,
have pizza or?
the crispy calamari.
Okay, you're gonna share that with Maxine, huh?
Yeah.
So aside from that, you have to eat something else. It's
Um,
not gonna be enough to make you full.
okay, wait.
So cold
Huwag na kayo
here.
magdidrink sa kasi malamig.
Well, you can have hot drinks.
Yeah, hot choco.
Can you have hot chocolate like Daddy
I-try
said?
yung Costa Rica natin na
Mom,
nasa
can I, Mom, can I,
bestseller natin ako.
Mom, can I have lamb
Pwede
beef
siyang add-on
pasta?
order.
Can I have lamb and beef?
Bebe, I don't think you're gonna like the lamb.
Okay.
You can
Fried
have
chicken, fried chicken duo. Fried chicken duo.
Always chicken eh. So pick something else. What about do you want baby back ribs? Or actually waffles? You want some waffles?
I want waffles
Glazed salmon.
Glazed salmon?
Mommy,
Yeah,
can
I love
also
salmon,
have
right?
Waffles?
Huh?
It's proven that I love salmon.
Sige. Okay, then you're gonna have salmon.
Okay.
Mommy, can I have waffles too?
You can.
Okay.
Go na.
Ikaw, anong order mo?
Hey
Calamari
guys,
kami na
I just wanted to do that just for fun. Anyways, guys. Hey, Mom, I'm gonna teleport. Hey! Ugh.
May sinasuggest si ano.
Answer, ano po yan?
Oh yeah, this
Black
transition
coffee yan
is
sir
cool.
na
Now guys, I'm gonna pause.
fruity
I'm
siya
gonna
sir.
wait.
Hindi siya matapang, hindi matapang. Sakto lang.
I'll wait for my order. And
Pinakamatapang
I'm
na
gonna
coffee.
react to the food. Just wait.
Fruity food.
Okay, now guys, the food hasn't arrived yet, but we're gonna explore. Wow. Whoa, yo, that's epic. Look at that.
Later, after we eat, we're gonna have ice cream, okay? Oh, anak ko, it's too nice, oh. Look at that.
Wow.
Just like being in Paris, huh?
Mom, you stole my camera.
No, I'm just doing you a favor.
Okay.
And look at those.
Yo,
Hi, Max.
that's epic.
Mommy.
Epic.
Okay, I think I'm gonna order
Mom, can I have a matcha? Can I have a matcha?
That's too much though. We'll think about it after we eat, okay? Because we might get full.
I love matcha.
Yeah, if you still like it after eating, then I'm gonna buy you.
Okay. What do you want, Mom?
Well, I want to try the creme brulee cake.
Oh. Yeah, that looks actually tasty. 100% tasty.
Do you want that instead so I can share it with you?
I just like matcha.
Okay, but the matcha I'm not gonna buy until you finish all your food, okay?
Okay. Until I lick the plate clear.
Like all of it.
Okay.
Let's go. So I think I'm gonna order the creme brulee.
Okay, guys, let me teleport for a sec. No shy.
Son, pwede sila natin.
Guys,
Sorry, creme brulee lang.
leave in the comments below if you want a tutorial on how to teleport. Wait, Maxine, you want me to make a backrooms edit?
Sure.